Still can't choke her. Don't know when I'll ever learn. Seems to be taking me fucking years to... I can do like a Z choker like that. But actual... But the actual choker fan's taking way too fucking long to learn. This Nautilus clone is surprisingly good for whatever it cost me. 20, no sorry, like $40. I don't know what the conversion rate is. The interest, no, not interest. Fucking hell, what do you call it? Exchange rate. Cost me 35 quid, so that's what, like, it's gonna be like $45 maybe. Well worth it though. It's got bushings. It's got aluminium channeled handles. It's got nice G10. Hasn't fallen apart once on me. Tolerances, it's got a little bit of tap, you know. Not a lot. It's got no play whatsoever. Like, play is like tiny. That's me like properly pushing on it. Definitely one of my favourite. I'm getting a Kraken clone at some point, so maybe maybe that'll be better. Another one to add to the collection anyway. Shit. Still got an aerial. Try and learn that like kind of whip rollover thing. Let me see if I can do it. You go about this, then you go under, don't you, and then over, like that. Cool little rollover. Anyway. That's all I wanted to post really. Just something while the weather's nice. I'm on a nice walk.